36 trillion and counting. This market crash is going to go down in the history books, and it is going to be talked about for centuries. The crash that nobody thought would come, the interest rates that people thought would never see, the stock market, bond market, cryptocurrency market sell-off that everybody feared would come is finally here. And in today's video, it is going to be an action-packed, full of data, full of charts, full of information to show us how bad things really are and how bad things are really going to get. Because remember, you heard it here first, people. I was trying to warn people during the rampant speculation when we're seeing meme stocks like AMC, GME, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, the profitless tech companies saying, look, with the dollar rising, they're going to fall as well. Seems like a lot of investors are starting to get the memo. From the look of it, one could be forgiven for stashing cash, and we are not anywhere close to there yet. Okay, so chart number one, everyone. Look at this chart. This is frightening. Steep falls. Global bonds and stocks see their biggest ever loss in market value. That's right, the biggest ever in history. We can see down here, over $36 trillion has been wiped out. And look over here. This is 2008. Where it was only around 23 or 24 trillion was wiped out. I say that lightly only, but look at this. This is going to absolutely dwarf 2008. And the reason why there's being so much more wiped out is because the central banks created so much money. They created way too much money. They tried to tell us this wouldn't lead to speculation, it wouldn't lead to inflation, but now it's starting to backfire. And why this is going to be so much worse, London gold dealers run out of bullion as trust budget shocks. Bullion price in sterling came close to a record last week. Brokerage sees surge in demand from British retail investors. Look at this chart, everyone. Pound panic. Gold came close to a record in sterling last week. And this is what happens when currencies collapse. We see people go back to what is real money. That's right, gold and silver, all fiat currencies throughout history, they've all failed. Now, what's been happening in the US is the US dollar's been surging, so the price in USD for gold has been falling. But as we have seen, it has held up much better than stocks, cryptocurrencies, bonds. And what this means is if you're an investor anywhere else in the world and you're wanting to protect yourself against your currency declining, well, gold may be a good investment. Again, not financial advice, just what I'm doing, especially here in Australia with the Australian dollar crashing. Even though it's not hitting all-time highs in US dollars, wherever you're saying if your currency is collapsing, people are going to run to real money, and that is gold. And that's why I've always said you should have some insurance in your portfolio for gold. It may not go up 1,000x like cryptocurrencies, but you're not going to have to deal with the 60 or 70% declines. So that's something I think investors should think about during this